Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I am super excited because today we are doing swatches of the new Milani Fetish nude lipstick collection, something like that. I'll give you more information as the video goes along, but if you know me and my channel, you know that I am a sucker for anything that is a nude lipstick, any brown lipsticks, anything that is within that warm family. I just cannot get enough. So when I saw that they released a array of nude lipsticks, I had to get my hands on these. I know that you love when I do swatches of lipstick collections, so I figured why not now? Why not do another one? And it's the perfect excuse for me to add even more new lipsticks to my collection. So I'm really excited to jump into the swatches and just give you my overall thoughts on the lipsticks. We're going to go over the packaging, the pricing, the formula, and the wearability, the durability of the lipstick itself. So I hope you're excited for that. Make sure you grab your cafecito, subscribe to my channel because it is totally free 99. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the new Milani lipstick swatches. Okay, we are going to jump right into the details of the lipsticks because, hello, who doesn't like details? So this is the Color Fetish Nude Lipstick Collection. It comes with 6 nude lipsticks. Now, these are all matte, which is awesome. They're ultra creamy and they're described as pigmented and very rich. These nudes are designed to complement every skin tone with a luxurious soft velvet matte finish. It's supposed to be comfortable on the lips, it's supposed to glide seamlessly onto the lips, and it's just supposed to be very full coverage, very opaque. So we're going to see about that. Again, I have all 6 shades, and we're going to go over the packaging really quick. I couldn't take off the packaging off of this one, but the colors coordinate with the lipstick. It's so cute. I don't think I've seen any component like this. I don't know what this shape is. Hexagon, something. I need to go back to school, okay? Don't judge me. But all the lipstick shades are nude as it says in the website. Really, really pretty. So yeah, I really haven't swatched them on the lips. I did do some swatches on my hands the other day just to see what they were all about because I was antsy and I had to test them out. But we're gonna test them out on the lips and see what it's all about. I'm gonna use my sponge and I don't have anything on my lips. Nope. And we're gonna go in and start with the first shade. The first shade that we have here is called Pleasure, and these have a retail price of $8.99, which I think is a very affordable price. And that is the color right there. As you can see, it's a little more nude. Now, I typically wear my nude lipsticks with a lip liner, but for the sake of the swatch videos, or for the sake of this video, I'm not going to use a lip liner. So let's go in and apply the lipstick. Oh, oh my gosh, that glides on so nicely. Wow. They're velvety, they're creamy, but they don't feel over drying on the lips. They have a nice matte finish. Honestly, these remind me a lot of the formula from Huda Beauty. That's one of my top favorite lipsticks. I love how velvety and creamy, matte, and pigmented her lipsticks are. I say these are very close up to her formula. Very, very good. I'm going to go in with a second layer just to see how it layers on. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful color. I think if you are lighter complexion, this is really going to be a true nude on your skin. As you can see, for me, it's a little bit more pink. It's still very pretty. Moving on to the second shade, this has to be my favorite from the collection. This one is stunning, you guys. Oh my goodness. Like, this is for my true nude lovers, true nude lipstick lovers out there. Let's go in and swatch this one. Oh yeah. It's so velvety, I can't get over the formula. That is so pretty. That actually looks really nice with the eye makeup that I'm wearing today. That is so, so pretty. Up next is Secret. Oh wow, okay. I didn't think it was gonna be this light. Really, really cute. This is that perfect pinky nude that I like this one. Again, that one's called Secret. The last three shades are going to be the darkest in the collection. This one is called Desire, and this one is beautiful. These are shades that I don't gravitate towards. I don't know why. I used to play with fun colors like years ago when I first started my YouTube journey, and now I've become so bland and I just stick to nudes. Oh, okay. This is more of a chocolate brown. Oh my gosh, this color is really pretty. It actually looks really good with the eye look that I'm wearing. All right, here we go. Let me show you a close-up before I destroy it. Look at how velvety these look. Do you see that? Oh, I can't with you, Milani. You're kidding me. This lipstick, you guys, it also complements the look that I'm wearing, which is why I wanted to wear a very neutral eye look, was because I knew that I was going to play with tons of colors and I wanted something that was going to complement the lipstick. I'm shook. Very last shade is called Passion, and this one is going to be a little more mauve-y. I thought it was going to be more red. I was going to say more red, but it's definitely more mauve-y. So maybe don't definitely rely on the packaging for guidance of the actual lipstick, but let's go in with this one. Oh, wow. Very unique shade. I don't think I own anything like this in my collection, honestly. Wow. That is so different from anything I ever wear. This is actually something I think I would wear. Like, it's pretty. It's different. Let me just say that it's different. But I know so many people like this type of color. It's like a little bit mauve. I feel like this one might make your teeth look a little yellow. Maybe my teeth are just yellow in general. But the color is really pretty. It's more of a deeper plum, like raspberry plum. I don't know. Really pretty though. And the formula is just chef's kiss overall. It's velvety, it's smooth, it glides on, it's pigmented, and I'm here for it. Yes. I ended up keeping on this lipstick. I just couldn't take it off. I loved it so much. I did pair it with a lip liner by LA Girl in Chai Latte. It is the perfect combination because this is a deep dark brown and it goes really well with the lipstick. So that is the entire collection swatches for you guys. I really hope you guys did enjoy today's lip swatch tutorial. If you guys want to see more like these, definitely let me know or tag me when you see like lipstick launches and I will be sure to check them out. Also, I would love to know what was your favorite lipstick from the entire collection. If I had to pick two, obviously the one that I'm wearing right now, which is Sensual, as well as Tease. These are just my top favorites. So let me know in the comment section what you think of this collection. Are you going to be buying them or are you going to pass on them? So yeah, that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Stay safe, stay blessed, and until next time, I will see you in my next video.